What up?
Hello.
Hi. Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Would you like to know about my secret behavior at the thrift store?
Tell me all about it.
You think you know me, but there's...
What is it?
There's a lot. There's a lot going on when I go to the thrift store. For one, I have this whole alter ego when I'm at the thrift store. It's right. It is like exactly what I need. That's why I love it. Okay. So this alter ego at the thrift store, there's no place I give longer, like smiley-eyed contact. Like long fucking eye contact. Like I see you, friend, stranger. We're brothers and sisters, right?
Just connect with everyone.
Dude, it's ridiculous. And also, when I'm at the thrift store, I don't know, I give these really like huge smiles, like these like I'm happy to see you, like I'm running for president, like I'm like shaking hands and kissing babies. Like I give the warmest of I don't know what that is, like warm demeanor. I don't know, like I'm just so, like that's my alter ego. Like anywhere else I go, like at the thrift store, that's me. Anywhere else, that's not me. Like, if you want eye contact, dude, like, it's not gonna happen at the grocery store. At the grocery store, no. Okay. So the other day, I was at the thrift store, and this is me. This is me, like, 99% of the time at the thrift store. Shaking hands, kissing babies, okay? Mm-hmm. The other day, we go to the thrift store, and I walk in, and there's, like, this mom-daughter combo. And, like, the daughter's, like, I don't know, in her 20s or something. I don't know. She's not, like, a little kid. So, they're both being loud and confused and standing in the fucking way, right? Mm-hmm. So, my first thought is, like my brain, like, just the alter ego disappears, right? The true self comes out. No.
And then you're like, shove him.
Well, I don't know why my brain thought Dirty Harry. I don't even know what Dirty Harry is. Like, it just sounds like some deviant shit. Like someone who's gonna, like, do some crazy shit. So, I go there, right? My mind, I'm walking and I see these fucking loud, annoying, confused, in the fucking way people. And they're, like, being loud and confused in the middle of the aisle. And all I can feel is the rage swelling within, right? This is so not me, but it has to be me. This has to be me. Okay, so I'm getting closer, and all I can hear in my head is, like, yelling, like, essentially, like, move, or I don't know what I was thinking, but I was thinking some shit like, just some aggressive shit, right? And I get so close, and I can feel it on the tip of my fucking tongue. I'm gonna yell at some goddamn strangers. Some confused strangers. Okay.
So what did you do?
Okay, it's about to come out of my mouth. I swear to God it's coming out. I can't hold it back. The dam has broke. The water is coming. So I open my mouth, and seriously, it's coming out. And you know what actually ends up happening? Can you guess?
Yes.
What?
Are you like, excuse me, please?
That was exactly what happened. I was like, it wasn't even like, excuse me. It was like, excuse me. It was like I was in their way all of a sudden. And I was apologizing. And I was just polite. It shocked me. I was like, it shocked me so much that I went from rage to joining the Confused Club to being like, hey, back to alter ego. Like, I obviously had practiced my alter ego enough that it's now a knee-jerk reaction.
I've gotten into the habit when this happens of just pushing my way through.
Is that your alter ego? Is that just that's just you? No alter about it.
You know, it's just like people leaving their carts in the middle of the aisle, like standing next to it so they totally block
pushing old
any
people over. Shame on you.
Just no need to say anything. Just keep going, you know. There's things in the way, but just move them.
Dude, I have made up stories in my head. It is thick, the amount of fantasy I'm in my head when I'm, like, smiling at people. And just, I just feel like a connection, but only at the thrift store. I don't feel that anywhere else. Like, I just feel like, and then when people smile at me back, like, I'm giving some goofy ass smiles. These are over the top. I'm giving 200% on this smile. 300%. This smile is a lot of smile.
Do people ask you if you work there?
One time somebody was like, excuse me, and somehow like thinking I was not part of the tribe, but I was an employee there by force. I got mega fucking rude, which is weird. I was like, I didn't expect that. I should be honored that people think I would join this fine establishment. Oh, hey, dude, this is weird. So, one of the things that was strange about the mother-daughter who were acting like confused and annoying and loud, mostly loud, is that I actually like confused people. I feel fucking useful when people are confused. I don't understand the point of talking. You know, 50% of my conversations revolve around either me being confused or someone else being confused, and I'm helping them out. Either someone's helping me, I'm helping them. I don't understand the point of talking if there's not some sort of confusion that we're trying to work out. What does that mean? Oh, yes. On those personality tests, I'm like a social worker or some shit.
Yes.
My brain only understands communicating through confusion. It's like...
This is your gift.
Except for those... Oh my God, that's so true. Because those ladies that I almost yelled at, and then I was like, excuse me, pardon me, trying to get through. I heard them yelling from like 2 aisles away. I thought there was a mirror here. And then I popped my head out of the side and I said in the nicest voice, I was like, it's right here. Because they couldn't see it. It was like against a wall. I was like, dude, I'm going the extra mile. What do I win?
What would the world do without you?
Nothing. You win nothing. That was the same day that guy saw your NWA shirt and started screaming straight out of Compton as he walked. Like, he just starts fucking rapping. Dude, he's feeling it.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was a good thrift day.
Yes.
We did find the gold. Peace.